Hi friends, welcome back to NISHANA'S recipe notes. Again, I have come up with a soup recipe and it can be a dinner option or lunch option for those who are on keto or LCHF diet. This is very simple and very easy to make. So let's start preparing. So before going to that recipe, to see more recipes, subscribe NISHANA'S recipe notes and give bell for getting notifications on latest updates. So, shall we start preparing the yummy mushroom soup? Are you ready? Placing a pan on the stove, adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil into that. Butter 1 tablespoon. Let the butter melt completely. When the butter melts, add 3 cloves of garlic. Just salt them. Then add some roughly chopped onion. Saute again. Next, adding our main ingredient, mushroom. Mix them well. Adding the required amount of salt and pepper. Just mix them well. Now cover and cook for a few minutes. Even though we did not add any water into this, the water has come down from the mushroom. The mushroom is well cooked now. Now let's turn off the flame. Take the 3/4 portion of this into a blender and blend to get a fine paste. Adding some water into this and blend to get a fine paste of mushroom. We have got it. Adding this paste of mushroom into the same pan. Next, rinse the blender with some water and pour into this mixture. Combine very well. Add salt and pepper if needed. Then add some coriander leaves too. Mix well and allow it to boil. Now let's turn off the flame. Our yummy, delicious and low carb soup is ready now. Taking it into a serving bowl. Let's garnish it with few coriander leaves. Hope you like this recipe. So this is a lunch or dinner choice for those who are on keto or LCHF diet. So keep watching NISHANA'S recipe notes. Please like and share my videos. Also subscribe NISHANA'S recipe notes if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching.